The holidays are a festive time when decorations are set about the home to create an atmosphere of warmth and joy. But after these pleasant times with family and friends, all good things must come to an end, at which point it's time to take down those decorations and put them back in storage for next year. But if decorations aren't properly stored, damage could incur, which is a loss of heirlooms or our favorite decorations. If your home is like mine, you might have issues with dampness in your basement. As you can see, we use a dehumidifier to help keep the basement dry to prevent mold and mildew from forming. My basement is where I store all our seasonal decorations. My concern is that my decorations will end up smelling musty when I pull them out again next year. I use MustGo tabs, which help preserve and protect my decorations to be used year to year. In the package, you will see you are given several pouches that you can fill with the tabs and put within your storage bins to help keep the contents protected. Simply add as many as you feel necessary into the pouch, then close the top by pulling the strings to tighten. The larger the size of the container and the denser the material, the more tabs you should use. For instance, blankets, towels, or books versus plastic decorations or lights. If you don't want to use the pouch, you can scatter the tabs loosely in with your decorations. This way, they're spread throughout the container and help protect your decorations from musty odors. Since they don't stain any materials, you don't have to worry. Over time, they will just evaporate. They typically last a year or more. If you live in an older home or in a region where there is a lot of moisture and your decorations are threatened by musty odors caused by water damage, mold, or mildew, I recommend the MustGo tabs to be placed within your storage bins for their protection. No matter the container or what you are storing, MustGo tabs are ideal for all storage situations. Rest assured that your decorations will remain fresh for the following year, where you can again create that feeling of warmth and joy with holiday decorations.